Oh, Crimson Bee, you're my only hope. Welcome back, Sassies, to another episode 2 of Grinding the Quest. So I did the quest, which I was doing in the sunflower field, and now I have the saucy quest to do. And this from Dapper Bear. Oh, you sussy Dapper Bear. Anyways, so I bought the Crimson Bee for 250 tickets. You might be mad, but I'm so tempted. So now I'll grind for the Cobalt Bee and for the porcelain dipper. So I bought the hiking boots and the Sasimondo belt. And so I'll ask you and I'll not do until I get a comment what to buy, okay? So let's get up this sussy right. Oh, first let me end my sussy hive. No, not sussy, but it's good. Oh my god, 24,000 on. Thank you, you yellow little hive. And now let's go to this red sussy cannon. Go up here, boom, boom. Let's see which boost the sussy field booster gets. Oh my god! Okay, so I bought this. Alright. Okay, so should I buy this or should I grind for the porcelain dipper? Just tell me, okay? Or okay, so you have three options: the beekeeper's mask, then the porcelain dipper, or the porcelain pot or hive. It's all your choice. Okay, let's see what the prices of tickets are. Oh my god! Let's see what the uh, uh, um never mind. Let's go to the project which I was doing regarding the Sussy quest. Ooh, let's go here and claim my royal jellies. Got four. And he's plus plus. I'm a sussy idiot. I'll meet you guys when I'm done with the sussy quest. Stay sussy, kids. Bye. Get this. Well, get this off of me. Yeah. And as I was saying, bye bye, kids, and stay sussy. This is not the end of the video. I'm going to come back when I'm done with this white clover duck sussy quest. Okay. See ya. Sorry, sussies, but this quest is unbeatable. So I'll see you in episode 3. Sorry, but I have to go, sussies. Stay sussy. Bye.